Hi, I'll go over how to do lab 2 of ECE 285, which is just about series and parallel resistors. So we have the circuit. So when you're actually doing the lab, you don't need to use the M2K at all. So because you don't need a voltage source attached. So you want to measure the equivalent resistance for R3 and R1 with the voltage source disconnected. So let me show you my circuit. So it's not connected properly. There. Let me zoom that in. Okay, so these are all 100 ohm resistors. So when you do the equivalent resistance on your end, it will be different. But here's my R1 and here's my R2. And R2, 3 and 4 are in parallel, R3 and 4 are in series, but they're both R3 and 4 in parallel with R2, and then here's that R1. So you want to measure the resistance, equivalent resistance at R1 and R3. So here's my R1. So I'm just going to touch the two ends of my probe across R1, and cool. So I measured 100 ohms, which is expected because it's a 100 ohm. These are all 100 ohms. But now I'm going to measure the equivalent resistance at R3. So now when I do that, I get a different resistance. So I am getting about 67. Yeah, roughly 67. And that's a different resistance because there's other resistors involved in that across this resistor. So that's why you're seeing a difference. And that's essentially how you do lab 2 of ECE 285. Good luck.